Go team soybean farmer. He didn't think it would fit in a row. I had that gut feeling it would. So we hooked up his biggest bush hog gyro mower, whatever we call it nowadays, and now we can't get him off the tractor. Ha ha ha. Anyway, a little quickie for the inquiring mind. Trying to keep him active. We'll get him come around one more time and then we'll shut her down. By the way, this field made about 117 bushels to the acre, about 5 acres. According to our calculations, about 117 bushels to the acre, which is good around here. Well, I'd love to have 200 like the other fellas do, but hey, I'll take what I can get and be happy with it. Now I know where everybody left here and moved out west. Went out there with it, Jeff Ramon land. And all the rest of you fine people out there in the Midwest. I did say I was going to cut it off when we came back up, didn't I? Just happy to see him out doing his thing. If he gives me permission, I'd be happy to y'all for too. We don't speak English.